win Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon because I really believe in my style and I want people to follow my style. Yes, I think I'm ready to rock the ramp.
मैंने अपने लुक को पूरी तरह से चेंज किया है मैक्स के कपड़ों के साथ और अब मैं रैंप पे चलने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार हूँ। बस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ चलना है और स्माइल करना है।
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to judge Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon.
पहला तो मुझे डर था कि कहीं ट्रिप ना हो जाऊं क्योंकि जब इतने ज़्यादा लोग खड़े होते हैं लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड इन दैट यू माइट जस्ट गेट अ लिटिल डिसबैलेंस। उसका मुझे बहुत डर था।
मैं कभी नहीं सोची थी कि मैं मॉल में रैंप वॉक करूंगी
जहाँ पे हज़ारों लोग उसके दूसरे तीसरे चौथे फ्लोर से नीचे झांक रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है।
जिस तरीके से लोग हमें देख रहे तो कोई सेलिब्रिटी से तो कम नहीं लग रहे थे। आपने हमें हम सबको एक ही सवाल पूछा कि तुमने मैक्स से कितने कपड़े लिए और क्या लिया?
Tell me what was the reason behind what you got and tell me what is from Max.
My pants and top are from Max.
My pants, my top, my stole and my earrings are from Max.
मुझे लगता है मार्क जो क्राइटेरिया पे हमें जज कर रहे हैं वो ये है कि आपकी इंडिविजुअलिटी क्या है।
He was looking out for how we've combined our outfit with the Max outfit and still managed to keep ourselves stylish.
Okay girls, that was quite fabulous. So this brings to an end the first of our two parts to judge Max Femina Miss Fashion Icon. Okay, what I saw was nice, but I liked the way a couple of you only used accessories to highlight your look.
जो एनर्जी के साथ हम लोगों ने अपना दिया था आउटपुट, हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि आज हमें शायद रिजल्ट पता चल जाएंगे and we all were very excited. But then again, I think this is just to make us work harder because इतना important subtitle है, इसको एक दिन में wrap up भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. So just giving it more importance and time कि हम अगली बार अगर ऐसा कुछ भी होता है तो improve our fashion senses and give it our best shot.
और अब हमारी फाइनलिस्ट को मिलेंगी कुछ ब्यूटी टिप्स फ्रॉम अ पॉन्स एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर रश्मि शेट्टी।
I'm really excited, not only because कि फेमिना मिस इंडिया का जो ये प्लेटफॉर्म है उसमें बेस्ट गर्ल्स आते हैं, एक बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है, सिर्फ उसके लिए नहीं क्योंकि मैंने बहुत दिन से इससे इन्वॉल्व हूँ. सो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू सी देयर स्किन एंड हेल्प देम आउट.
Being in this industry, it's very hectic. बहुत ग्रूलिंग सेशंस चल रहे हैं. So I think हम सबको, especially मुझे बहुत स्किन इश्यूज हैं. So I'm really looking forward to meet Dr. Shetty. Failure can be forgiven, but aiming low is a crime. Keeping that in mind, मैं हूँ राधिका शर्मा, नवाबों के शहर लखनऊ से. I'm 23 years old. My zodiac sign is Aquarius. My first break in modeling was in my college, and since then there hasn't been any looking back. Determined, courageous, passionate, and a perfectionist is what I am. Miss India का crown जीतना मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. And Pond's Femina Miss India has been the dream for me since I was a kid. And here I am, sitting right in front of you, living my dream.
Hi guys. I am Dr. Rashmi Shetty. Since you guys are going to be the beauty queens, I'm sure you have a very, very tough schedule, isn't it? You kind of have to complete this much and maybe you have read-up material. I don't know how the whole thing works. There's only one thing which is the worst thing for skin and hair is sugar. So what I would really suggest you all do is keep eating once in 3 hours, and if you then seem to have a sugar craving, go and eat a fruit. So these are a few tips that you can just keep it handy.
सब लोगों का आगे चलकर उनकी स्किन का, उनकी टेक्सचर का, सब चीज़ों का बहुत फ़ायदा होने वाला है.
वो पहला जो 2-3 घंटा होता है मिडनाइट से पहले, तभी आपको सोना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है.
पर्सनली मैंने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात सीखी डॉक्टर रश्मि के सेशन के बाद, इज़ टू स्लीप बाय 10 o'clock. इवन इफ आई हैव टू वेक अप एट 5, आई प्रेफर वेकिंग अप अर्ली बिकॉज उन्होंने जो उसके बताए बेनिफिट्स होने वाले हैं, आई थिंक दैट विल डेफिनेटली कीप माई स्किन ग्लोइंग फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ.
I have very sensitive skin. Even if I put cream after removing my makeup, it burns. and I break out very often.
First thing which you need to do is change your face wash. Even if you go and look at Pond's, I think they have 8 face washes, different kinds with different skin types. So you choose a face wash which is for sensitive skin or for dry skin. So therefore it doesn't rip away all the oils and all the moisture from your skin. It still leaves those back but just takes away the dirt and the grime and the makeup.
She was very clear about what I needed to do with my skin. She gave me a list of medicines that I need to take to kind of make my skin a little more resilient.
I get pimples on especially on my forehead, the T-zone.
Right?
Yeah.
Clean that part of the pimple 2 or 3 times so it is absolutely clean. Please make sure you do not keep dabbing makeup on it. It will only make it worse. If it is a nice big pustule sitting there onto the camera and you hate it, what you can do is use a little warm water, hold it against that for 2 minutes, soften it, take a tissue and just press it from both sides. Do not stick your nail in and dig it out. Yeah? Do not have long showers. Even if you wash your face, do not wash it more than 3 times a day. And when you're washing, don't use 2-3 times your face wash. Just use it once. So that's going to help. Okay, pretty ladies, now that we have done all the questions, so we are all ready to give the best.
I really liked Rashmi's session because she had a heart-to-heart with all of us.
उनकी खुद स्किन इतनी अच्छी है, so obviously जिनकी अपनी स्किन इतनी अच्छी है वो दूसरों को एडवाइस तो बेस्ट ही देंगे.
They're such wonderful girls. They're all girls, real girls, like girls next door, but so beautiful, so happy, so confident. So I wish them all the best. May the best one win and let them make our country proud.
You stick around because there's a lot more coming up. Only on Pond's Femina Miss India 2013.
Hello and welcome, girls. Hi. My name is Neha and I'm from Radio Mirchi.
Hi, my name is Panchami.
सबको बताएंगे क्या मतलब होता है इसका?
It basically means 5. So it's 5 of everything. You could have the strength of 5 Pandavas.
5 boyfriends.